Good day friends. In today's video, we're going to see about how to use the dynamic data validation in MS Excel. So here I have three different columns which denotes India, Australia and England players for the year 2023 World Cup. So my requirement is very simple. I have column F and column G to select the country and player. For example, if I choose India as a country here, then the next column should show only the Indian players list for me. Similarly, if I choose Australia, only the Australia list should be shown for me in the column G, same as England. Now we will see what is the easy way to do this. For this, first what we have to do is to create a name. So please select only the Indian cells alone or Indian players alone. We can go to Formula, Name Manager, New. In this name, we can put only IND as a name here. Press OK. This is one of the way to create a name for a range of cells. Or the another easiest way here is select the cells, go to this particular place. This is what we call it as a name box in MS Excel. So just click on the icon, type AUS so that we are creating the name as Australia. Similarly, I am choosing all the England players, going to the same name box and then typing ENG to denote only for England. So the first step is done. Second step is I have to create a data validation to select the country name. I can go to data, click on this data validation, and then here I have to choose list. The source of the list is very simple, only India, Australia, and England. So click on this icon. Now you can see a small drop down box on my right extreme side of the cell. So here I can choose India, Australia, or England. So step one is done. What is the step two? I have to select the list of players. Select the same range. I'm going to the same data validation. Again, I'm selecting list and here I'm going to use a formula called indirect equal to INDIRECT indirect. Okay. And it has to refer the column F. So which means the first ever cell in column F is F4. So simply put F4, close parenthesis and press OK. Now I'm going here, selecting the country as India. Let us check whether Indian players list is shown in the column G or not. Yes, it is. I'm getting all the Indian players list here. Rohit Sharma, Shubman Gill, Virat Kohli and everyone. Similarly, I'm going here choosing Australia as my second country. Am I getting the Australia list here? Yes, I'm getting Pat Cummins and others. Yes, that's right. Now going to England players, I'm selecting England as the third option and then yes, it is working fine. I have Jose Butler, Moeen Ali, Sam Curran. Yeah, that's right. So this is how we can create a dynamic data validation in MS Excel. I hope this video would be useful for you. So please do share with your friends and colleagues. We will meet you in the next video. Thank you.